I like the conference very much. It's inspiring to meet all these people working in that field of circularity and circular economy from different European countries.
What I like most is that we combine different stakeholders, so people from vocational education and training, R&D, small and medium enterprises, municipalities, NGOs and startups who participated in our training and capacity building activities and meet here again on the big stage. And it's a big pleasure to see them.
What has impressed me is the diversity of experience of people coming to, and the number of people coming to this conference. It's been stimulating and interesting right the way through, especially with the visits yesterday where we went to the small organic farm, which is similar in size to my own, and to find that a German farmer is having almost exactly the same problems that we are having in Wales in the UK.
Our aim is to develop bio-based materials, to diminish the use of fossil energy, and we want to have local value chains of local production, which is sustainable also. And therefore we need everybody, research centers, but municipalities, can also be part of the game.
On a systemic point of view, I'm very interested in exchanging about the economic value chain from biomass to products. And I'm also interested in how the LCA can be calculated.
We are still trying and collecting evidence that we could have something relevant, sustainable and economically profitable. See the good niche of the market, the good production and bioproduct that we will have, and we will find something where everything will go stable, and I'm quite optimistic on it.
We have to look at what is economical value of change. We are used to calculate it in money, how much it costs and how much it will deliver us. But we have to change that way of thinking, and it's a long process. More jobs, less pollution, a lower temperature of the environment, heat stress, floods. That's also value.
From my own background of design, sometimes I just see something and it resonates immediately. I see it, so I work with physical things. You've got to make people want something. So it's my own personal perspective that if you want to create a better future, you have to make it desirable for people first. So to try and design things that people want.
The concept that we combined technical development with culture, with design now, is, I think, really, I find that very convincing.